Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I'm just doing an update. This is a book that I've got for the past 3 or 4 years by Andrew's Coins, and it's a 50p guide 2022. Now the beauty of this book is you have, if we go to the contents page, we have something a little bit about fakes. When you're looking at British coins, you look at the Olympic coins separately. You've got coins from the Isle of Man, British Antarctic Territories, Falklands, Gibraltar, Jersey, Guernsey, and quite a few others. So for instance, you have all the UK ones. These of course include the ones that were not actually issued into circulation, things like the dinosaurs, the Winnie the Pooh series, the Snowman series. And then you go across, it also importantly covers a Strike Your Own, which a lot of coin books now are doing. You see a picture of it and an approximate price of how much they are to get hold of. The Olympics, then you've got territories such as the Isle of Man. These cover all of them. They'll cover all the Christmas 50p's as well, which the Isle of Man are renowned for, along with Gibraltar for their 50p's. There you've got the British Antarctic Territories and ones that they've actually produced. Gibraltar, there's one you don't see very often in the country, say Sandwich Islands. And you got the more productive countries like Jersey and Guernsey. And then you got some of the coloured coins from across not only the UK but also the Isle of Man, the Sandwich Islands with the coloured penguins, Gibraltar's, including the different coloured, the ape series, which I did not so long ago. And the Antarctic Territories, Jersey, Guernsey, and finally Ascension Islands. So this is a pretty comprehensive 50p guide. It's one that I've had, as I said, over the last, the first one I bought was 2018, and I've bought each year's as they've come out, and I find these very useful. There are other guides or other books that I buy for other coins. For instance, there is also a £2 guide. There is a guide for all the decimal coins in the UK, which is the collector's book. That's a yearly sort of book that you can buy. So this is one of many, but it's one of the better ones in my opinion. So that covers this book. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up, and also if you haven't already subscribed, I would be very happy if you did. I'm looking to grow the channel, as I've said many times before, and having subscriptions and likes puts my algorithm rate up as far as YouTube's concerned, and will put me in front of new people, and hopefully they will then also subscribe. That ends this review. All I wish to say is, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the items that you want for the price that you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, Ta-ra for me. Bye bye now. Bye.